So the readings just went up. Look at that. And the temperature is 75.6. And the oxygen level dropped. And the PI number went down to 4.1. See a straight line there, almost? Well, the saturation went down to 93 because I got a huge pulse. Look at this number. There you go. And that goes with this number here. The power increased. So at over 1,000, the saturation went down to 93. And the PI went down to, I think it's 3 point something. There you go. Look at that. And the temperature is 75.6. So the power was turned up. Look at that number there. 900, 700, 600 plus. So every time it goes over 1,000, it affects veins and arteries in the blood, in the body, affecting the flow of the blood and the oxygenation of the blood. See, the PI number dropped. So the saturation went down to 94, and the reading went up to 900. And the RF is 17, 16. And I'm starting to sweat because my body heated up very rapidly. See, 1,000 plus. $700. And I could feel my heart rate going up. 106, 107. I could feel my heart starting to race a bit. 700, 500, 1,000 plus, 1,000 plus, 1,000 plus. Okay, so I'm just going to stop there.